Hey everyone, once again, good morning everyone. Welcome to Excellence Point classes. In this class, we will see different types of quadrilaterals. Yes, different types of quadrilateral, which is the topic of our chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Dear students, our first figure is a square, which is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means any polygon which is having 4 sides. Suppose we are drawing one square, so what you will observe first? You will observe that all the sides of a square are equal. So the very first property of a square says that all the sides of square are equal. So all the sides of a square are equal. The second property which we used to observe that the diagonals are also equal. So length of diagonals are same. Now coming back to the third property we will see that all the angles are right angles. Right angle means 90 degree. So all angles are 90 degree. Fourth property which used to observe that the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other means divide it into two equal parts. So the fourth property says that the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. Okay. These are the four property which we generally used to observe. Now we will see the next quadrilateral. Students, the next figure is a rectangle. You will see that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So the very first property says that opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now coming back to the second property, you will observe that all the angles are of 90 degree, or we can say that all the angles are right angle. So all the angles are 90 degree. The third property which we used to observe that the length of diagonals are also equal. So we will say that the length of diagonals are same. Now you will observe that it is not necessary that the angle between them is of 90 degree. If the angle between them is 90 degree, we can say that at that time the rectangle will be a square. But now you will see that the angle is not 90 degree, but whether it bisects, yes or no? Yes, it bisects. If we will say that the point is O, so we can say that OD is equal to OB. Also OC is equal to OD. So the fourth property is diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisects each other. These are the four properties. You will also see that the opposite sides are parallel also. At that time we will say that it is a parallelogram. So coming back to our next quadrilateral. Students, the third quadrilateral which we see is a parallelogram. Now parallelogram is very special quadrilateral. Why? Because it is having maximum number of properties. All square rectangles are also a parallelogram. So we will see that the opposite sides and angles are equal. It's our first property. What? The opposite sides and angles are equal. Angles are equal. It's the very first property which we used to observe. It means we can say that AB is equal to CD, also AB is parallel to CD. On the other hand, AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. If we are talking about angles, so angle A is equal to angle C, angle A is equal to angle C, also angle B is equal to angle D. So we will write angle B is equal to angle D. Also, you will see that the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonal bisect each other, but the length is not equal. So AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD means the length of diagonals are not equal. So we will write length of diagonals are not equal. But we can say that OD is equal to OB. Third, OD is equal to OB. Also we can say that OC is equal to OA. So OC is equal to OA. So we can say that it bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other. It's the third property. Also, one special property is there for parallelogram, that the sum of these two angles, fourth one will be angle A plus angle D. Angle A plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Also we can say that angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why we are saying that 180 degree? Angle on same side of transversal are supplementary. Very important property, you all have to write. What? Angle on same side of transversal are supplementary. Why we are saying this? Why? Because AB is parallel to CD. So if we draw these two lines which are parallel to each other, now AD is behaving like a transversal. So these two angles are on the same side of transversal. So we can say that angle on same side of transversal are supplementary. Also angle A plus angle B is also equal to 180 degree. Why? With the help of same property we can say that because AD is parallel to BC, at that time AB will be like a transversal. So these are the various properties of parallelogram, very important. Now coming back to the fourth quadrilateral. Students, our fourth figure is a rhombus, which is also very important. Why this is important? Because this type of figure is generally used for making sweets. Yes, you are correct. Now you will observe that all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So the very first property says that all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Now the second property, you will observe that diagonals are bisecting each other. So we can say that diagonals bisects each other. The third property says that the diagonals are also perpendicular to each other, and this is a special property of rhombus and square also, that the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So we can say that diagonals are perpendicular. This sign is of perpendicular to each other. This is the third property. Now coming back to the fourth property, you will see that the opposite angles are equal. So we will write opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. Now fourth quadrilateral is finished and we will see the fifth and the last, which is trapezium. Students, our fifth quadrilateral is a trapezium. You will see a trapezium is there. Now what we will observe that the opposite sides are parallel, but you will observe that one pair is not parallel. So we can say that one pair only. You will see that AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC. So we will say that one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Second property, you will see that one pair of opposite sides are equal also. So AD is equals to BC. So AD is equal to BC. One pair is equal also. Now if we join the diagonal from AC and we will draw from BD, so you will see that AC is also equal to BD. So we will write AC, which is the third property. AC is equal to BD. It means the diagonals are equal. Then the last property is, you will observe that the adjacent pair are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. Also angle D is equal to angle C. Angle D is equal to angle C. Only the last property, see, you will observe angle A and angle D. So angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, and angle B plus angle C, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle on same side of transversal are supplementary. One special case is also there, which is the kite. We will see it. Students, the last special case is a kite. You will observe that the pair of adjacent sides are equal. Now we can say that here AB is equal to AD, and we can say that BC is equal to CD. These two are the adjacent side. Similarly, the diagonals are not equal. It means we can say that AC is not equal to BD. And for the last, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. It means they intersect each other at 90 degree. So we can say that AC is perpendicular to BD. And this is the last property of the quadrilateral. I hope so you all have enjoyed the video. Like, share and comment also. If you are new to the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.